Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription with billing, an owner or contributor role, and region availability. Next, create a resource group and provision the Azure OpenAI resource. Choose the nearest supported region to reduce latency. Once done, request access if your tenant needs approval, and note your tenant ID, subscription ID, and resource name. Make sure to copy keys and endpoint now, because you will need them immediately for authentication in the next configuration steps. You will configure authentication and network next. First, choose Managed Identity for secure access or generate API keys if needed. Store keys in Key Vault for safety. Then, configure networking, set up a VNet, private endpoint, or IP restrictions to control traffic, because security reduces exposure. After that, install the Azure SDK for your language or plan to call the REST API. Export endpoint and key as environment variables so your app can authenticate smoothly. Finally, test a simple API call to confirm connectivity and credentials. You finish by deploying a model or creating a deployment with the scale and instance type you require. Choose the model and set temperature, max tokens, and other parameters. Next, run an end-to-end test. Send representative prompts, measure response correctness, latency, and estimate cost. Once verified, integrate into your app with proper retry and rate limiting. If things go wrong, inspect diagnostic logs, verify quota and region limits, confirm network and key vault permissions, and regenerate keys if authentication fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.